There seems to be next to no video when it comes to custom dash kits and this particular model year of Mazdas. And so if you're looking to install a double din on this particular dash kit, that's not happening. It doesn't support it. This is in particular for L type head units. So in my situation, I didn't do my homework enough. And this is a shallow mount. And if you find yourself with one of these Atoto units, what you can do is flip the bracket around. There has to be some custom fabrication. So peeling off the onions. I haven't installed it yet, but it's a bit of a funny one. I've used a lot of different dash kits over the years. It's probably the worst one I've ever used, but that is a different topic. So what I'm gonna do is pop this back out. Oh, this one needs to come out too. The part about the onions. So this comes out. This, you see these two little holes. So this was added on. This is not how it's supposed to be added on, but there was a bit of fabrication happening. And this is the shallow mount cage, which got chopped in half and moved over to be turned into a sort of a single din, but that's the only way you can fit it. And so these screws go way in the back. You're gonna have to drill some extra screws to actually mount this part into the dash itself. Work in progress, I'm still working on it. But a little tip with other people that found themselves with getting one of these, shallow mount this particular vehicle. And if you're wondering, oh, by the way, this is not even attached. I'm just test fitting just to make sure nothing hits each other. That's what it looks on the inside. That's a little extra little support piece that comes with the kit. Oh, another piece of information I forgot about. So how do you attach to the thing if you took it off? Well, more fabrication. You're gonna find that there is mounting screws on each side. You can see them on each side. What you want to do is tap into that and drill new holes into that bracket. Again, more fabrication. It is a lot of work, but if you want to get it done and you're stubborn like me, that is an option. If not, you're gonna have to get one of those Alpine units that are already an L type, or one of the Sony types that is also a single din L type that will also be compatible with this thing. But yeah, good luck.